Take your PBX to the next level. Get more benefits with VitalPBX add-ons. Never wait on hold again with our Queues CallBack add-on. Now this add-on allows your customers to get a callback rather than waiting in a queue. In addition, calls are returned in the order they were received, so there's no need to worry about missed opportunities. Give your customers a better call center experience and optimize their time. VitalPBX is the final solution for your business that looks for an effective PBX phone system. Don't believe me? Well, try it out today. We've got a community version that'll give you a head start and the chance to try all of the features to get to know everything that VitalPBX is capable of. Download and install it today.